Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, Oak here again with a quick little box break for you. Today I got a pack of Upper Deck Ovation 0910 hockey cards from Upper Deck. Picked them up at my local Walmart, and I figured I'd have a look-see. Picked it up really because there's an oversized Canucks goaltender right up in the front here. What do I got? Roberto Luongo, of course. Oh, comes in one large pack. And of course the leftover Ovation Spotlight card. Alright, let's have a look here. Sheldon Surrey right up in the front there. Victor Hedman, Roberto Luongo again, Jordan Franzen, Mark Savard, David Booth, Jason Pominville, Sergei Shirkov, Thomas Caberly, Rob Blake, Chris Kunitz, Jamie Langenberger, John Tavares, Holly Jokinen, Daniel Alfredson, T.G. Gagliardi, Jason Josinu, Martin Brodeur, Evander Kane, thank you, Pekka Rin, Evgeny Malkin, Ilya Kovalchuk, Jonas Gustafsson, Chris Osgood, Steven Stamkos, Jason Spezza, Eric Stahl, Kyle Wellwood, Alexander Semin, Sean Horkov, Andrew Cogliano, Matt Duchene, Ryan Kessler, Mikhail Backlund, Ryan Geslav, Drew Doughty, Miku Koivu, Derek Brassard, Tim Thomas, Patrick Kane, Luke Shen, Daniel Briere, Joe Pavelski, Jake Wheeler, James Van Riemsdyk, David Bax, Christopher Stieg, Dion Phaneuf, Mike Richards, Joe Thornton. Oh, that's it. Nothing special in there. Hopefully get a couple autographs on those tomorrow at the Oilers Autograph Day. Until next time, I'll see you later.